Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. I'm Adrian and in this video I'm gonna show you how to design a hero section concept like this. So please watch the whole video and also follow me for such videos to design concepts like this. Okay guys, let's get started. First of all, let us rename the project. For example, a website landing design, because we want to design a landing page. Okay, now I create a frame of the desktop as you see. Now let us change the name of the page to landing and also create another page for the components. Okay, then let us create a copy of the desktop here. Okay, then Control X, and here in component we put Control V, decrease the height and rename it to navbar. Make it components. Okay, now as you see we have navbar component. Let us change the color for now. For example, blue is a good choice. Here in landing page, let us have it. Let's import the component that we created. As you see here, we should select local components, and as you see, we can import the navbar. Okay. Then if you change your navbar, you will see the changes here as well because it's common. Okay, now for example, we can go to the navbar and change the size a bit. So here, as you see, we have the result of that here. Now we can add item on it. For example, I add a rectangle here. Here, for example, the place of the logo, I change the radius to, for example, 20, and improve the opacity to, for example, a change it to 80. Now let's check the result. As you see, we have it here. Let's move it a bit down. Okay. Let's improve the radius of this as well to 15, for example. As you see, we have the result here. Okay, it will be our navbar. We will edit it later. Now I want to add a hero section. I add the rectangle here. Okay, for example, here with also 15 radius, and we should put it under the navbar. I want the navbar be visible, but now I want to reduce the size of the navbar again. Okay. Okay, as you see here, we have this. We will modify the size again later. No, let's edit it right now a bit bigger. I think now will be better. Yes. Okay. Now let's change the color of that. I change the color to For example, this this for now. Okay, now and on it, let us change the add some menu. For example, home, and improve the size of the text to 36, 32. I think is better. Regular, and the color must be 80% or even less, 70%. And we have home, for example. We have about. We have contact page, for example. Okay, and I want to add search box here as well. Okay, so here we can write search keywords. Okay, for the search box. Okay, now let's check the result. As you see, it became more beautiful. Okay, now I want to add the image instead of this rectangle, or better to say, for the background of this rectangle. I copy the image and now I select the rectangle and I paste it here, as you see. Okay, now I want to um, put a cover on it. Let us change the opacity to 1880. So okay, then let me select the color of this, copy the color of this, and I will add another field on the top of that. As you see, I put the color. Also, I could select this. As you see, now we have the same thing here. I improve the color and opacity of that. Sorry. I think now it's good for designing. Okay, now let's add the text here. For example, develop your dreams. Develop your dreams. And let's make it bold, and improve the size of that to 64 or even bigger. I think 96 is also good. You can put it like this. And on the bottom of that, we can add smaller text with regular weight that express, for example, try our services and advance your company. For example, now I want to add the uh, bottom here. Okay, I will put a rectangle here. change the color to the white. We'll add the radius. Add the radius to, for example, I don't know why I can't. Okay, let me do like this. I think improve it to 15 is good. Now I will add another text for the button. Change the color to the background color. And for the layer, I should put it on top of the rectangle. And I change it to register, for example. Register. Okay, make the center. And also I will make it bold, semi-bold. Okay, now as you see, you can have this. I think now it's good. Now we can make it more attractive. For example, here we can improve the opacity of this, and we can also change this to the black. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's better. Okay, as you see. And we can also change this to gradient. Okay, now I change this location of the gradient. Sorry, I selected the image. I wanted to select this. Okay, as you see, I should change the location. This should be here. And this should be here. I think it's good like this. Okay, now we can put the black side here. Okay, and this side, and also have a color. Okay, let me. Okay, as you see, here's the result. Now let's modify the navbar as well. Okay, we can also change the colors here. Okay, let me see what happened. Okay, let me add the shadow. If you want to add a shadow, as you know, you should select effects, and you will see that you have shadow. It's not visible now, but I can change the color of shadow to white, for example. As you see, you have it right now. Okay, I have the shadow right now, and I can put the shadow for this as well. Effect, and this, I think it's a bit visible, but we can also make it more visible. As you see, here we can move this to 45, for example, and also we can make it 0. maybe change the color of this to the red, for example, and also improve the blue. Okay, as you see, and I can change the color to blue for the same color as the navbar. Okay, I think that's beautiful now. Now we can also change this shadow as well. Okay, let me make it to, yes, I think it's better now. Yes, no, let me change a bit more. Improve the blue and increase this. Okay, I think it's better now. And I can put this color. Okay, let me see the result. I think now it's better, but also we can change the color of this placeholder. For example, this. Let me see the result. Yeah, I think it's now better. Now let us also change this color as well. Yeah, I think it's better. Yeah. Okay, guys, it has completed. I hope that this video will be helpful. Follow me for more designs and more Figma UI UX engineering and designing. I will try to design more samples and also uh, hold some meetings, online meetings, that we can uh, design such things together. Thank you so much. See you next time.